Today we're going to unbox the Ecovacs Deebot U2. It's the latest budget robot vacuum in the Ecovacs range, and the rest of which has been pretty excellent, so let's unbox it and have a look. So, as you can see, it comes in a brown outer box for a bit of extra protection during shipping. And inside the retail box does look pretty typical Ecovacs. I've got to say that the box itself is decent because it can often feel like manufacturers do skimp a bit on the packaging on their entry-level robots, which isn't the case here. The first thing you see is the manual, which has 30 pages in English, which is quite a lot actually, considering the U2 is pretty easy to use. Then we're straight into the robot itself, and even at first touch it feels reassuringly solid. You can tell quite a lot just by the feel. Some cheaper bots can feel almost flimsy. On the bottom of the box we see 4 side brushes, so you do have a couple of spares for the future. And of course we have the charger, which comes with a standard Australasian plug. Now, the mopping attachment was actually in that first layer, and it includes a reusable mopping pad and 5 disposable ones. So just to sum up, you have everything you need to get started. You have the robot, charger, a couple of spare side brushes, a spare high performance filter, your mopping pads, and the user manual.